In this video, you'll learn how to create educational videos using Higgsfield AI. By following these steps, you will be able to generate engaging content quickly and effectively. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. This can be done by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of the AI video generator and image generator. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Sora 2 Trends. This section will direct you to a variety of tools designed for creating videos. After clicking, you should see new options related to trending video content. After that, click on the button that says Create Sora 2 Trends Simple, Fast. And Accessaya will take you to a new screen where you can start the video creation process. Ensure that this screen appears before you continue. Once this appears, click on the option that reads Turn Ideas into Viral Videos in Minutes. No complex tools or skills needed. This will guide you further into the video generation workflow. You should see a prompt or interface change confirming your selection. Next, select the YouTube option to set your video format. This step is crucial as it determines how your final video will be structured. Verify that the correct format is displayed before proceeding. Now type in your ideas for the educational video into the designated text box. Be sure to be concise and clear with your input, as this will guide the AI in generating relevant content. After entering your ideas, click on the visuals and sound option. This will allow you to customize the visual and auditory elements of your video, enhancing its overall appeal. Wait for the new settings to load before making adjustments. Next, click on the settings option to configure any additional preferences related to your video. This may include aspects such as resolution or aspect ratio. Confirm that the settings you wish to adjust are visible. Following this, click on the product option. This will direct you to select the media you want to incorporate into your video. Make sure the interface reflects your choice before proceeding. Choose an image or video from your local files that you want to include. This step is important for adding personalized elements to your educational video. Once selected, ensure the file is appropriate for your project. After making your selection, click on Open to upload the chosen file into the Higgsfield platform. Depending on your internet speed and file size, this may take a moment. Wait for the upload confirmation before continuing. Next, click on P Preset to choose a predefined style for your video. This will help in maintaining a cohesive look throughout the content. You should see various presets available for selection. Afterward, click on US cases to explore different applications of your video. This section will provide context on how your educational video can be utilized effectively. Now, click on Educationer to specify that your content will be educational. This selection is crucial for tailoring the video to meet educational standards. Choose a preset that aligns with your educational theme. This will help in enhancing the overall presentation of your video. Confirm that your selection is correctly displayed before moving on. Finally, click on Generate to produce your educational video. This process may take a few moments as the AI works to compile your input into a finalized product. Wait for the completion message to ensure the video has been successfully created. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.